Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an updated what's in my bag. The updated what's in my bag is going to be featuring my beloved multi-pochette accessories. I am so happy with this bag and have not stopped using it ever since I got it. So I'm super excited to share with you guys how I can pack this and what I usually bring on a daily basis. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So before we get started, guys, hello, my name is Scotto. I like to do videos on luxury unboxings, luxury hauls, luxury reviews, pretty much all things luxury. So if you're in that kind of thing, then please consider to hit that subscribe button. Also the bell notification button so you're notified every time that I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I'm going to be showing you what I pack in my multi-pochette accessories. I personally love watching these kind of what's in my bag videos. It is an old school kind of video, but I mean, it's a classic video. I am just so curious on what people bring in their handbags, so I thought I would just do an updated one. I have already done one in the past on this bag. That was before I sold mine, and then I rebought this bag because I was just missing it so much, and I'm so glad it is back in my life. And this literally has been my best friend ever since, and I bring it everywhere, and it's just so easy and convenient, and I just love how versatile it is. So yeah, let's start with the front pouch. So in the front pouch, I always put my phone in here. This is every time I put my phone because it's easy access, and I do have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So it fits perfectly in here like so. Let me show you one more time because I don't think you saw it. But yeah, phone in here, and it just fits perfectly. It's easy access for when I'm out, and I just like to separate I like to separate it from everything else within my bag. So I usually put my mask in here sometimes as well. So yeah, just those two things stay in the front pouch, and then going on to the back of the pouch, it is a little more stuffed. I like to bring a lot of things with me on a daily basis, so it is essential for me. But yeah, let's get started with the back pocket right here. And currently I am just holding some of my cleansing wipes for my glasses and for my phone to wipe down every time that I use it, and my glasses. So I have wipes here, and then I just have a Sephora what do you call this, coupon, and a Saks Fifth Avenue coupon. So that is in there, and then I also have some change, which is a no good thing, but when I'm in the store, I just throw my change in here, and it's so bad, I know. But yeah, I went to the store recently, so I just stuffed my change in there. But yeah, that is all that it's in the back pouch, and then in this big pouch right here is everything else. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is my gum. I can't go anywhere without my gum. This is the Trident white one, and this one's really good, and it's small and compact, so it fits easily in there. And the second thing that I'm pulling out is my perfume, and this is the Warm Vanilla Sugar by Bath & Body Works. It smells amazing, and I just really like it. It's just a quick, like, freshen up kind of perfume. I still do love my Louis Vuitton perfume, but this is just for an everyday freshen up kind of perfume that I just like to bring with me. And the third thing, the most important thing that we've all been using recently, is hand sanitizer, and I'm literally almost out. This is the Stress Relief from Bath & Body Works, and it just smells so good. It's very refreshing, and I can't go anywhere without my hand sanitizer. So yeah, this is my third thing that's in my purse. My fourth thing that I'm pulling out, sorry, I know you guys like to see what I'm pulling out, but here is my fourth thing, is my Burt's Bees classic chapstick. I show you guys in every what's in my bag videos of this chapstick. It is literally the best. I love it so much. It's not focusing because, okay, here we go. So that's what it is. I can't go anywhere without chapstick. Literally can't. Okay, so the other thing that I'm pulling out is my hand cream from Bath & Body Works. So as you guys know, I love Bath & Body Works, and this is the pumpkin cupcake one. It smells so good, literally like a pumpkin cupcake. Exactly, it just smells good. Every time I put this hand cream on, people are just like, oh my gosh, what are you wearing? And I'm just like, it is the hand lotion I just put on. So this is what it looks like. If you're ever at Bath & Body Works or go there, definitely check this one out. Let me try to focus it for you guys. Here we go. It's a little bitter, but yeah, this one's really good. And then the next thing that I'm pulling out is my beloved card holder. This is the one I recently got from New York. Been loving this so much. It is so easy to put in this bag, so convenient, and it's just so easy to find and use when I'm out and about. So I really have been loving the card holder. I've never had a card holder from Louis Vuitton, so I'm so happy that I got this because it's a total game changer when you have smaller bags. But yeah, I love the reverse monogram as well. Like, how cute. It is so cute, and I really love this. I'm so glad that I was able to find it. But yeah, I have another hand cream in here. Sorry, I know you guys like when I'm showing you what I'm pulling out. I'm sorry. Okay, so this is my other all-time favorite fall hand cream. This is the Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin by Bath & Body Works. It is so good. It smells so good, and I love getting this every single year. I literally get 5 at a time because I go through hand cream like crazy. I just love when my hands are soft. I don't like when my hands are dry, especially when it's getting a little colder where I'm at. I love just bringing hand cream everywhere. And every time that I put hand sanitizer on, I put cream on because the hand sanitizer dries my hands up crazy because of the alcohol. So I just put hand lotion on and it resolves that very quickly. So I bring 2. Just have both, you know, you gotta have your options. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is just a bank receipt because I went to the bank today. And then this little piece of paper, which is a grocery list. And then the last thing, I believe, yes, the last thing is my beloved key pouch. I love this key pouch so much. So for the card holder, I put like the most essential cards that I use on a daily basis, but I always like to bring in extra couple cards with me, and I put them in here, and I also put my change in here at times. That's what I should have done, but today at the store it was hectic, so I was just in a hurry and I just stuffed my change in my purse. But yeah, I just like to carry a few extra cards in here, or I'll put receipts when I'm at the store, my coins, and I just love having this little guy. I really want to get another one. I really want the Damier Ben one. Been stalking the website, no luck at all, but yeah, I really have been loving this. It is so versatile. You can use it in so many different ways, and I do have a couple videos on this little guy, so if you want to check that out, please do. But yeah, this is so versatile. Coin purse, card holder, cash even. Like if I don't want to bring my bag with me on a day. Ooh, I just almost dropped it. So as I was saying, if I do not want to bring my bag with me that day, I will literally stuff cash in here, my cards, and my keys go right on this little hook, which is so convenient. And I just bring this, and it is so easy, and I don't have to bring my purse. So it is very nice. And this is a great, I always say this, a great starter piece to your Louis Vuitton collection if you're wanting to invest into Louis Vuitton and you're not sure like what you like or how you like the canvas. This is a first great piece out of everything. Honestly, this is, you can't go wrong with this piece, so definitely check it out if you haven't. I've done a giveaways on this pouch twice, I believe. Wait, right, was it twice? I think I only done one giveaway for this key pouch, but I've been trying to get another one and I have no luck finding another one. But I'm on a hunt, and if I come across one, I will definitely do another giveaway for you guys, because it just makes me so happy doing giveaways for you guys. It's especially during this time, I know something like this makes people happy, and I just love seeing people happy. So yeah, I will definitely try to hunt it down for you guys. But yeah, that is all that's left in my bag. It's just some change. Once again, I have to get this change out. It is bad. But yeah, that is everything that is in my bag, and then I carry it. So another part of the bag, which is super cool and gives it such an edgy, cool vibe, is this little guy right here. And this is where I put my mask because it's easy, and it just fits in here perfectly. But sometimes I usually put my chapstick, or I'll stick my keys in here because it's easy and it separates everything from the bag, and I don't want to put my car keys in my bag in case it scratches or whatnot. But yeah, this is a perfect little touch to the bag because it is so versatile and you can use it in many different ways. It fits a lot. I'm super happy with this. So it just hangs on the bag like so, and it's just so cool and easy to access, and the back is super cute. It has the mini monogram, so that is really unique. But yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton multi-pochette, and I love the strap on this bag too. Makes the bag very easy, and it seems like I'm doing a review on this bag, but I just love this bag so much. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, what's in my bag. I personally love watching these, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any other video suggestions, please leave them down in the comments, or you can go follow me on Instagram and let me know there if you have any video suggestions. I'll put my name on the screen. I would greatly appreciate it. I recently did a story where I bought a new handbag, so if you are not following me on Instagram, I usually give you little hints on what I'm buying next, and then I'm definitely gonna be doing a video. I just bought it yesterday, so I'm waiting for that email where it's shipped. But yeah, if you are new here, please follow and hit the bell so you're notified when I upload that unboxing. I'm so super excited for this handbag. I hated it at one point. I disliked it, wasn't into it at all, and then all of a sudden fell for it. So I don't know, I'm always like this with handbags. I'll see it, not like it, find no use or point to it, and then fall in love with it. It's crazy, I know, I don't know. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I love you guys, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, wherever you're in the world, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.